In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zip a file on a Mac. So on my Mac, I have a Finder window open, and I have a folder here that has several files inside of it. I want to zip or compress this folder so I can easily upload it and share it with a printer. It's a good idea to put files inside of a folder before making a zip file. You can select the folder and on your keyboard hit Control-click or right-click the folder and then click Compress. Depending on your file size, this may take a few seconds. And now I have this folder that says .zip at the end. This is a much better file to either email or send to someone that you need to share this file with. And then to open this file on a Mac, you would just double click the zip file and it will unzip the file, meaning it will reopen it and make the folder contents available to you. So that's how you zip a file on a Mac. Follow Crye Studio for more Mac and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.